So my family members asked me to make a video about how to get Messenger or Telegram for PC. So I'm gonna show you. So first, search up BlueStacks. And then click on the first link. And then you can see here, play Android games on PC or Mac. Once again, no Linux unfortunately. Adobe no Linux unfortunately. And then just click the download button. And it will bring up an installer. Open it. Now you just wait until the installing finishes. Oh, there are the shortcuts. Okay, it's done. So you don't need the BlueStacks multi-instance manager. You don't need to click that. Just open BlueStacks. And once you're in, you can just search for Messenger. And there it is. You can download Messenger for free on PC. As well as Telegram. You searched up and there it is, Telegram. So this was a pretty short tutorial, and if it helped, please like and subscribe, because I will be posting more software content in the future. And Happy New Year!